Hi guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how to get shader packs on Minecraft. So now what you're going to want to do is go to the Optifine website and click downloads. You're not going to be able to see 1.15.2, so you're just going to want to click preview versions and you're going to want to download Optifine 1.15.2. You can just click keep because tons of people have used Optifine on their computers. Nothing bad has happened so far, so I would just click keep. This is gonna open up on your screen and just click install. So when you open up Minecraft again, it should give you the option that says Optifine 1.15.2. So this is the shaders pack that I use, the Bits Lab shaders pack. It's really nice. Okay, wait, hold up. Once I got the shaders pack, I just took so many shots and it's so realistic and nice, and the sky is really nice and the water is just reflective. This is currently my phone background. I'm gonna link this website in the description and you just click the bigger one, I'm pretty sure. Now if you're on PC, go to your bottom search bar thing. I don't know how to do the app data whole shebang, so I just type run, should show up. Already does app data, and then click Minecraft. Go to your shader packs, and then all you have to do is just drag this in there, and I've already done that. You should be able to open up Optifine. If you already had your Minecraft thing open, I recommend just closing it out and then opening it again. Now that we've opened Minecraft, it should say modded because we're in Optifine 1.15.2. So now we'll just click options, video settings, and then now you have a bunch of these options available that we didn't have before. And we're gonna click shaders, and BSL should be here. If you have a beefy computer, like a gaming PC, I still recommend to bring your render distance lower, because I used to play on 40 render distance because I like seeing the horizon, but 20 still does a really good job, and it won't kill your computer, which